Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP between two or three worksheet. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, in this video you will learn how to use VLOOKUP. Okay, so here you will see I have three worksheets: sales, product category and region. Okay, so in sales here you will see branch name, so which I want to cross reference with region. Okay, here, and then here you will see product, which I want to cross reference with product category. Okay, so here I am going to add two more table here. Okay, column, region and category. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to just click on equal VLOOKUP. Okay, then here you will see lookup value, so lookup value will be this. Now enter comma, now go to region, this table, and here you have to select first row. Okay, and then you have to press Control Shift and arrow down. Now you have to lock this, so what you have to do, just press F4, then comma, then here you will see call index. Okay, so here this is table number 2, you can select all this or you can enter 2. Okay, then comma, range lookup, so here you have to click on false exact match, then like this and enter. So here you will see this is region. Okay, now you can apply this formula for column. Okay, now here same thing, equal to VLOOKUP. Okay, then select this, comma, product category, Control Shift arrow down, then F4, then comma, call index, table 2 and exact match, enter. So like this you can use VLOOKUP between two worksheet or three worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.